my name is Miss Susan with Suzette's Puppets, and the next couple of weeks I want to show you some different ways that you can use a simple glove puppet, like my penguin puppet, during your story time. One of the questions that I get from many librarians is all about how do I use a puppet during story time, and do I have to make it talk? No, you don't have to make it talk at all. The great thing I love about a glove puppet is that you can make it do different actions, and that's how it expresses how it feels. Ooh. If it's happy, or if it just wants to wave and then you call it a day. So I'm going to be doing a lot of different things during my story times using glove puppets, and then share the examples with you. So in this example for my story time polar bears and penguins, I'm going to show you how my penguin puppet hands me the book and how we teach the concept to our preschoolers about the right way of holding a book. So take a look at this video and we'll come back and we'll talk. Okay everybody, so I have a special friend that I want to introduce you to. His name is Paul the penguin. And Penguin wanted to help to hand me the book for our next story. So I hope you don't mind. Let's see if Paul's ready. Oh, Paul! Well, can everybody say, hi, Paul? Hi, Paul. Hello, how are you? Come on up. See the kids? Can you guys? Hi. Wave hi. Hi, Paul. All right, can you go get the book? Okay, let's go ahead and get the book. Oh, Paul. There's something wrong. Yes. The book is upside down. Oh, so sorry. All right, Paul, turn it around. That's right. Okay. Maybe he's got it this time. Let's check. Okay. Paul, the book is backwards. Oh, sorry. All right. Come on, let's see if we can do it right, Paul. Oh, yes, I think that's the right way to go. Great job. Penguin's Big Adventure. Ooh, this looks like a really fun book. Thank you, Paul. Can you guys say thank you, Paul? All right, let's all say goodbye, Paul. Oh, he's so fast. All right, well, Paul is going to hang out here for a little bit, and let's go ahead and get started with his story. Okay, so didn't that look super simple? One of the things that I really want you to take away from working with a puppet during your story time is that it doesn't have to be something that's spur of the moment. It should always be planned, because you never know. I've gone to many schools and the fire alarm has gone off and I still have a puppet on my hand. Once you come back into the building, I have to figure out where I was or what did I do, or a kid will interrupt you or things like that. So everything should be planned out. And with every skit that you do with your puppet, there has to be three things. There has to be a beginning, a middle, and an end. Basically, your beginning, just like you saw in the video, I asked kids to say hi to the puppet, and then your ending or your closing is bye. So that's pretty simple. So the only thing you really have to plan is what to do in the middle. So this particular bit that I showed you in the video is probably my best. The kids really love it. This is something that I do at the beginning of the school year, probably about every time I visit a school for the first couple of times. That way, when I walk into the school, I don't use this box, I have a different box. I walk into the school with this box, the preschoolers see it and they're like, oh my gosh, so-and-so's here. And they're so excited. They already know what the skit is, but they're still excited to see the puppet. So the great thing about this, as I showed you before, you saw in the video, the penguin didn't say anything. He just had a lot of fun going up and down and up and down and handing the book and having it the wrong way and things like that. And those are the little things that the kids love to see. They had a blast. And during this time, they learned that, no, this is not how you hold a book. This is not how you hold a book. Yes, this is how you hold a book. And their friend, the penguin, was the one that taught it to them. That skit just took a couple of seconds, and then I closed the box, moved it to the side, and I started reading the story. The great thing about having some sort of bag or box to put the puppet inside is that it's not a distraction during your story time. If I had a puppet just sitting out waiting for its turn, the kids would look at that puppet the whole time, won't even look at me, won't even pay attention to the book. At least when I introduce the puppet, then the kids are excited, and when we all say goodbye, they understand that it's that puppet's time to end, whether they're going to sleep, going to play with their friends, or whatever they're going to do in this bag or box, in this imaginary world of the bag or box. That's what they're going to do, and most of the preschoolers will believe you. But the great thing about it from my end is that this skit is done and I can push it aside and I can start reading the story and I have the kids' full attention. So like I said, this was super simple. So this is kind of step one in the mini series that I plan to do for the story times. If you have any questions, comments, or concern, just leave it in the comments down below. I'd love to hear what you'd have to say. If you've done something like this before, please share with me. You don't have to spend a lot of money on a puppet. You can make something simple like I did. I have a simple glove puppet pattern. I'll leave it in the description for you. If it's something you want to start with, I'm going to use that pattern and turn it into a lot of different puppets in these upcoming story times. So you'll see how I do use it. But anyway, my name is Susan with Suzette's with Pets again. Thank you so much for listening to me today. If you enjoy this video and you want to keep following my videos, please make sure that you subscribe and hit that notification bell. Every time I get a video, you'll get a ring-a-ding-ding letting you know that it's there. Thank you again so much. I appreciate your time.